Hello my dear students, today we start exercise 15.1 and this is based on this simple graph. Now what is the question? The following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital records every hour. It means these graphs show the patient's temperature and it is the temperature and it is the time. Now time is given here 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. Same way temperature is given 34 degree, 35 degree, 36 degree up to 39. So first we read this graph. Whenever time is 9 a.m. So what is the temperature of patient? This is the 35 and this is the 36. And what is the difference between this? Only 1. And half of this is the half part. So half of 1 is 0.5. So when timing is 9 a.m., temperature of the patient is 35.5. Then same way 10 a.m. what is the temperature? 36 degree. 11 a.m. 39 degree. 12 noon what is the temperature? 38 and half is given. So 38.5 degree. 1 p.m. temperature on 1 p.m. 36 because it is the half of this. So 36.5 degree. Same way, same temperature at 2 p.m. and whenever timing is 3 p.m. temperature of the patient 37 degree. Now we read the question. What was the patient temperature at 1 p.m.? So time is 1 p.m. and temperature is 36.5. So we write here 36.5 degree temperature of the patient. Then when was the patient's temperature 38.5 degree? So it is a 38 and 38.5. So what is the timing? 12 noon. So we write here 12 noon, temperature of the patient 38.5 degree. Next question. The patient's temperature was the same 2 times during the period given. So we see here is the same lining and same temperature. So what is the answer of third one? Third answer of this question. So 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. This is the answer of third one. Then fourth question, what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? Whenever timing is 1:30 p.m., what was the temperature? So this is the 1 and half of this one. So same temperature here is. So what is the temperature? 36.5. So answer of fourth is 36.5 degree temperature. Next, during which period did the patient's temperature showed an upward trend? It means किस टाइमिंग के बीच में पेशेंट का टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है? सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट. सो 9 to 10 temperature of patient here 35.5 and this temperature will be increased up to 36. So what is the timing? 9 to 10. Second, this also show upward trends. It means 10 to 11 and this is show downward, यानी कि यहाँ कम होता है, यहाँ भी टेम्परेचर कम है, यहाँ पर इक्वल है और यहाँ पर बढ़ता है. So timing is 9 to 10, 10 to 11 and 2 to 3 p.m. temperature will be increased. So this is the timing शो अपवर्ड टेम्परेचर, यानी कि इस टाइमिंग में टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2 given, the following line graph shows the yearly sales figure for a manufacturing company. And in this, year is given, years are here 2002, 3, 4, 5, 6, and sales in crores 2 crore, 4 crore, 6 crore, 8 crore, 10 crore, 12 crore. So 2000 in 2002 selling here sales given 4 crore, and 2003 it is 6, and 6 then 8. What is the difference here? 2 number difference here. So 6 and then 7. So in 2003 7 crore, and in 2004 this is showed 6 crore, and in 2005 it showed 10 crore, and 2006 it shows 8 crore. Now we read the question. What were the sales in 2002? It is given 2002. So what is the selling here? 4 crore. So answer of this first one is 4 crore. 4 crore. Second one, 2006 here. So 2006. What is the selling here? 8 crore. Then what were the sales in 2003 and 2005? So 2003 here is 7 crore. So what is the first answer of first one? 7 crore. And second one, what were the sales in 2005? So 2005 given here, and this is the show this point. So 10 crore. Answer of this one is 10 crore. Now third one, compute the difference between in sales in 2002 and 2006. It means what is the difference here? So 2006, in 2006 here is 8 crore, and in 2002 here is 4 crore. So what is the difference between 8 crore and 4 crore? So 8 minus 4 is 4 crore. So what is the difference? 4 crore. Next one, in which year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? So here is given, it means ऐसे कौन सी ईयर में सेलिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा कम डिफरेंस आया और सेलिंग में ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हुई. सो जनरली 2002 and 2003, what's the difference here? 4 and 7. So 4 minus 7 is 7 minus 4 is 3. It is downward and it is upward. So 4 and 5, here is 6 and 10. So what is the difference? 4 crore difference here. So what is the which year? In 2004, it means previous year के comparison में, it means 2005 में जो जितनी सेलिंग हुई वो 2004 के कंपेयर में बहुत ज़्यादा हुई. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस वन? 2005. Next question, this question also given in the same manner and same type of question. Please try to solve this question. Next, use the table below to draw linear graphs. So we draw here graph, linear graph. It means this is the line graph, and we draw linear graph, and years and days are given. So first we write this on x-axis, and we draw according to the 15.2 exercise. X-axis year on x-axis and days on y-axis, and draw according to that previous exercise 15.2, and already that is uploaded in website. So please see that and complete this question number 5th according to that way.